Thunderstorms are making their way through Chicago this morning, and a ground stop has just been issued at both O'Hare and Midway airports. What's behind these intense storms, and what can you expect for the rest of your day? Stay tuned as we break down the latest storm details, the risks you need to know, and how this will affect travel in Chicago. This morning, the National Weather Service issued a Level 1 out of 5 storm risk for the Chicago area, with the potential for strong thunderstorms. The storm system is already making its way through the city, bringing heavy rainfall, lightning strikes, and gusty winds. These storms are expected to last until 9 a.m. CDT, and there's also a marginal risk of excessive rainfall, which could cause flooding in some areas. Due to the severe storms, both O'Hare International Airport and Midway Airport have issued a ground stop. This means that no flights are currently departing from these airports, and delays are expected for incoming flights. If you're flying today, it's crucial to check your flight status before heading to the airport. The primary threats from these storms include flooding, lightning, and gusty winds. Let's break each down. Flooding. The heavy downpours could overwhelm drainage systems, especially in low-lying areas. Streets could quickly become impassable, so be cautious if you're driving. Lightning. With this kind of storm, lightning strikes are a big concern. Remember, if you're outside, seek shelter immediately. Lightning can strike miles away from the main storm. Gusty winds. Winds could reach up to 45 miles per hour, potentially bringing down branches or even knocking over trees in some spots. This could cause power outages or more debris on the roads. For those of you traveling today, the ground stop is the big headline. But even once the storms pass, the aftermath will likely cause delays and disruptions at both O'Hare and Midway. Here are a few tips if you're planning to fly. Stay informed. Keep checking with your airline for updates on flight delays or cancellations. Many airlines will offer rebooking options if your flight is delayed for more than a few hours. Leave early. If you must go to the airport, give yourself extra time to navigate through traffic and possible flooding around the airport areas. Pack patience. If you're stuck at the airport, be prepared for longer waits and potentially crowded conditions. Use the time to relax, check in with family, or even catch up on work. After the thunderstorms move through this morning, we can expect isolated showers to continue through the afternoon. But don't worry, the storm should start to clear out by this evening, with partly cloudy skies returning overnight. Highs will reach the upper 70s and lows tonight will dip into the 60s, so it's shaping up to be a fairly mild evening after the rain clears. While the storms are expected to be most severe in the city, the entire Chicago metro area is under this Level 1 risk. This means that surrounding suburbs, including Oak Park, Evanston, and Skokie, could also experience similar storm conditions. Heavy rain, flooding, and wind gusts. Stay alert if you're outside the city proper. When storms hit, it's essential to stay safe. Here are some key reminders. Avoid driving through flooded roads. If you come across a flooded area, turn around. Flooded roads can be deeper than they look and can lead to dangerous conditions. Avoid using electrical devices near windows, especially if lightning is present. Stay indoors as much as possible during a storm to minimize your risk. Take shelter. If you're outside and can't find shelter indoors, go to your car or a low-lying area. Avoid open fields and tall objects like trees. As the storms move out, the city will see clearing skies, but wind gusts could persist into the afternoon. By tonight, the weather should stabilize, making way for warmer temperatures over the next few days. If you're planning outdoor activities this weekend, it should be smooth sailing after today's storms pass. Looking ahead, the National Weather Service will continue monitoring the situation, but unless another system rolls in, the heavy storms should dissipate by tonight. These storms serve as a reminder of just how powerful severe weather can be, and how quickly it can disrupt our daily lives. If you're affected by the storm, whether it's travel delays, flooding, or damage to your property, don't hesitate to reach out to local authorities or community organizations for assistance. Thanks for tuning in. As always, we'll continue to keep you updated with live weather reports and emergency information. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep an eye on those skies. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more real-time updates. You can also comment below if you've experienced any storm-related impacts today. We'd love to hear how you're staying safe in your area.